I'm Dr. Priyanka Reddy and welcome back to DNA Skin Clinic and Wellness Center, Bangalore. Today I'll be talking about microdermabrasion. So microdermabrasion is also known as dermabrasion or skin polishing. So this is a procedure which causes superficial skin rejuvenation. Microdermabrasion helps in clearing away the superficial dead skin cells. Now this is done in different techniques. So one is called as crystal microdermabrasion, and there is crystal free microdermabrasion, and now recently there is a procedure called as hydrodermabrasion that has also come up. So now in crystal microdermabrasion, there are certain crystals like sand like particles. The most commonly used particles like aluminum oxide particles are sprinkled on the skin with the help of a tip that is connected to a machine. So after sprinkling this sand like or aluminum oxide particles on the skin, there is another tip that is vacuum assisted. Now this tip is glided on the skin. Because of this movement, the crystals are also glided on the skin, which helps in, because of friction effect, it helps in clearing the dead skin cells. It's like sandpaper on the wall. That's the kind of process that happens on the skin. So the superficial dead skin cells are removed from the skin, and now because of this vacuum assistance, when the tip is glided on the skin, it helps in sucking away the dead skin cells and the debris that have been popped out because of the procedure. So now because of this suctioning effect, it also helps in gentle massaging and pulling up the tissues, which helps in improving the blood circulation, pumping up more oxygen to the tissues as well, which helps in getting much more healthier skin. So now because of the microdermabrasion, the superficial dead skin cells are gone, there is improved blood circulation and more oxygen is pulled to the tissues. When it comes to crystal free microdermabrasion, this procedure is devoid of any crystals. So how is the abrasion effect achieved? Well, the abrasion effect is achieved because the tip itself is rough. It has a sandpaper kind of a feel. So when this is glided onto the skin, it abrades the superficial dead skin layer. Now this is also vacuum assisted, which means it causes that suctioning effect, pulls up the tissues and improves the blood circulation, and there is more oxygen that is pumped up into the skin. Well, the same results are achieved, but the crystal free microdermabrasion is devoid of any reactions, because with crystals some people tend to get some reactions or erythema or redness of the skin post procedure, which is kind of nullified with crystal free microdermabrasion. Now there is a technique also called as hydrodermabrasion, wherein we use water. So there is a tip which spurts out water. So there is a jet that helps in sprinkling water onto the skin while doing the procedure. So now this helps in keeping your skin moist and hydrated throughout. So this is mostly done for very dry skin type of patients or very sensitive and erythematous skin patients. All the three techniques help us in giving almost the same result. So crystal free is better as compared to the crystal, because it is devoid of any sort of reactions, and hydra microdermabrasion can be used if you want to achieve that extra hydration effect to your procedure. So what can microdermabrasion do and what it cannot do? Well, microdermabrasion, because it abrades only very superficial layers of the skin, it can help in tackling the very superficial skin concerns. It can help in giving you smooth, soft texture. It can help in taking care of the very superficial pigmentations. It can also be used as an anti-aging procedure, provided you get it done at regular intervals. So regular clearing of the superficial dead skin cells, regularly doing certain massages in stipulated directions under medical guidance will help as a very good anti-aging procedure. So usually we do this procedure once in 30 or 45 days, depending upon the age of the patient, depending on their lifestyle, their sun exposure, their work stress, so on and so forth. So based on all these factors, we do it once in 30 days or 45 days. Microdermabrasion can also be used in treating very superficial scars, but of course it is used as an adjuvant with other procedures, but not as a standalone procedure. But yeah, doing microdermabrasion as the first step before doing other procedures can help in improving the results. We also do microdermabrasion as a part of medical or medifacials. At least at DNA we do it as a part of medifacials, wherein this is the first step wherein we take care of the dead skin cells, and then comes series of procedures like doing the massages, doing the electroporation, so on and so forth. But this is usually the first step to many procedures. So this can, towards the end of the microdermabrasion procedures, you will be left with much more healthier, soft and supple skin. What microdermabrasion cannot do? Well, by now you must have understood that microdermabrasion is only a superficial procedure and it can treat only very superficial conditions. So microdermabrasion cannot treat your wrinkles, it cannot treat the deep scars, or it cannot treat your deeper pigmentation. So what can you expect after microdermabrasion procedure? Well, microdermabrasion is not associated with any sort of downtime. So post procedure, in some cases, all you can expect is a little bit of redness and very mild swelling that subsides on its own in couple of hours. If you have very severe reaction to the crystals, then you can consult your doctor. We would be putting you on certain creams that will help in reducing this reaction and helps in faster clearing of the reaction. But otherwise, microdermabrasion is very superficial procedure and very safe procedure, and you have absolutely no downtime with a well done microdermabrasion. So that is all about microdermabrasion. If you have any more queries, you can write to us on info@dnaskinclinic.in, or you can reach to us on our social media handles. We are on Instagram as Dr. Priyanka Reddy DNA Skin Clinic. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.